Well, we're still not shelling corn or combining beans or anything yet, but it's pretty wet. But we got something new. Just got it yesterday. We've been working on it, getting it how we want it all day. So it's a new truck and trailer. I think it's a 35-foot Ebby. Black. Nice looking trailer. But yeah, on this hopper bottom, both we'll be able to just park in one spot and be able to catch both hoppers with the auger at once without having to move the truck. Because that one, they both open up right there and right there. And we picked up a new truck. It's a Mack 2015, but should be good. Plenty big enough. I think 500, a little over 500 horse. Well, I haven't done too much for the past few days. Boys are sick, so that means I'm sick. And it's been really wet, still really wet. But I'm gonna start shelling again now, and hopefully I can go for quite a while. I'm feeling well enough. Ben, my oldest boy, he's got double ear infection, and they think pneumonia in one of his lungs, which just from phlegm, coughing, and the baby has, I can't remember what it's called, SRV or something like that. But he's sick too. I've been home with them for about the past week and a half. Just getting sick as well. So I'm not going to do a whole lot of talking today. That's what gets it going. But we're shelling along. My dad did a little bit today. And I hauled, well, the second load to the elevator with that new truck and trailer. Seems to be working pretty good. You can really put a load on that Ebby. That's only a 36 foot, but it's a taller one. You don't want to fill her all the way up. The load my dad took was 1,100 bushels. The one I just took was 1,018. So you can really fill it. Pole's really nice. That truck has got more than enough power to pull that. A legal load. Totally legal load. Yes. But I mean, it's legal for coming out of the field. But yeah, really nice having an automatic transmission. I thought that would be weird. I don't know. what the date is. I think it's November 3rd. Yesterday was my son's birthday. Babies turned 1 yesterday. But everybody's sick, so we don't have a party. Corn right now is pretty decent. 227, 228. It's kind of spindly looking. Not many of the leaves left. But feeling pretty good. I think it's a little wet over here. Dad was cutting a pretty good rut there. Oh, yeah. Look at this. Yeah, it's rutting out. Makes it hard to drive down the rows. Yeah, see, it's kind of spindly. Yeah, that woods right there is where I broke my knee. And then my brother got in a real bad accident back there last year. And he was in ICU for quite a while. And he had to be life-flighted out of here. But, so we can clear cut that woods as far as I'm concerned. This front part here. Well, we got done with this field, and I just emptied the grain cart a little bit so I could fit this hopper load in the cart, because we're having a dump on the road still. So we'll get this cart top back off, and I'll take that truck back, go grab the other truck so I can empty the cart tonight, so Dad can take them both up to the elevator in the morning. Really hoping this fits in here. It's gonna be a lot of work if it does, but if it doesn't, it doesn't. Well, that's as full as we can get it, I guess. I still have, I don't know, maybe 100 bushels back here. So, I guess we'll take that truck back and grab the other one and get that one unloaded. Then we're gonna call it a day. That trailer looks not too bad at night. Black though. That it's like a mirror when you try to back it up next to something else. It's like a mirror. You can't tell where the trailer ends hardly when it's all very clean. But I think that's gonna be it for today, I guess. If anything interesting, well, I think I have to go get that other truck and trailer hitched up, then bring it down. But that's gonna be it for today. All right, see you everybody. Thanks for watching.